iCloud not receiving emails. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix iCloud not receiving emails, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are using iCloud Mail and you're not receiving emails on the Mail app over here, the issue could be due to various reasons. Now first of all, you want to make sure you have set up iCloud Mail, so you can open up the settings application here. Then once you've done that, just tap on your Apple ID profile from the very top. Then here you'll find iCloud. Just tap on iCloud. Then you'll find this little option that says iCloud Mail. So you can actually just tap on the iCloud Mail option here. Now in my case, you can see I have not set up, so it'll ask me to set up. If you have set up but you forgot to turn it on, you want to make sure to turn it on over here. Then once you turn it on, you'll be able to receive iCloud mails on your Apple Mail app. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.